Hi Australia, Stuart here from Outback Cleaning Products, and we're here today to introduce our product, Outback RV Superwash, that was developed to remove environmental stains, red dirt off all our caravan and camping equipment, commonly known as the badge of honour. Our product is acid-free, biodegradable, and can be safely used on a wide range of surfaces. Behind me, we've got old mate's caravan. He's travelled through my hometown, Kununurra, and we're here today to do a demo and show you how the product works. So today we're going to need a little bit of kit to do the demo. We're going to use our electric pressure washer, a brush and a bucket. So let's get on with it. As you can see, she's come up a treat using the Outback RV Superwash. If you'd like to purchase one, go to our website, outbackcleaningproducts.com.au. You can buy direct, or you can also find your local stockist around Australia. Thank you.